family.
Sorry. I won't give you out. I'm always here for you. As a mentor, your friend.
Alan, anong gusto mong sabihin kay Charisse na nag-mentor sa'yo all this time sa X Factor journey?
I'm sorry, everybody should stop. This is not a joke, okay? I've been holding this for a long time and this is not a joke. Congratulations sa lahat na nakapasok, pero please, this is Alan. This is Alan. Alan, no matter what, sabi ko sa'yo kanina, nakarating ka dito, but this is not the end, okay? I will help you all the way.
Spoken like a true mentor, Charisse. Alan, may gusto kang sabihin sa mga fans mo na sumuporta sa'yo this whole X Factor journey?